Hi guys, how y'all doing? So today I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious, quick and easy General Tso's salmon. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Here I have 3 salmon fillet already washed and pat dry. I'll be using some chili paste, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, soy sauce. I have some brown sugar, garlic and ginger, some rice wine vinegar, cornstarch, and for the seasoning I'll be using garlic and onion powder, old bay salt, and black pepper. So here I will combine all of my sauces along with the brown sugar, mix well and set aside. I did add a little water here. I will put all the correct measurements that I used down in the description box. Now let's go ahead and season the salmon, but first you want to combine all of the seasonings so that they can be evenly distributed onto the salmon. Then you want to coat the salmon in a little oil just so that the seasonings can adhere. Then we will generously coat the salmon with those seasonings on both sides. When the salmon is nicely coated, you want to set aside. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes or so. So next we'll go ahead and pan sear the salmon. We will add them to the skillet. I did add a little oil and allow them to sear on both sides. You don't have to cook them all the way through right now because we will finish it off in the sauce. So once they are done, you want to remove, set aside, and now let's prepare our sauce. Now into the same skillet, I will add my garlic and ginger, give it a toss and allow to go for about a minute or two. Now in with our chili paste. This will give the sauce a nice spicy kick and it will give it some color. Then we will follow up with our sauce. You want to give that a mix and allow it to come up to a rolling boil before we add our cornstarch. Like I said, once it starts to simmer, you want to add your cornstarch, give it a stir and allow that to thicken up. Once it thickens nicely, we will introduce our salmon back into the skillet and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. And that's basically it, guys. Our General Tso's salmon is all done. This was so delicious, mouth-watering. And I bet you didn't know that you can do General Tso salmon. So yeah, you can do General Tso sauce with chicken, shrimp, beef, anything, any meat you want to use, you can use here with this sauce and it will be absolutely amazing. Now let me play this up and show you guys the finished product. So here you have it, my version of General Tso's salmon. I did pair it up with some garlic butter fried rice and some steamed broccoli and carrots, and it was amazing. I will leave all the ingredients down in the description box and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support and as always, enjoy